Hello friends. The sunflower is a symbol of luck and optimism. It is also a symbol of the soul of the hippies. A sunflower hand painted on a terracotta pot. Highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. The terracotta pot is a perfect gift for anyone who grows and loves sunflowers. This terracotta pot is an ideal decoration for a bedroom, indoor garden, kitchen, study, office, desktop, windowsill, balcony, etc. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.